So this does stop charging after you unplug it. Once it reaches 100, I think this battery stick, as a safety precaution, it shuts off. But anyways, yeah, I'm starting to get all my pieces together. Things are coming together very well. Okay, so I got my battery charger here. All right, got the cover because I don't want to degrade the battery when it gets super hot. So this is insulated, so it should prevent it from the extreme heat from the sun. Same with this right here, the refrigerator, Bog RV. This is a splitter that goes in the middle here. So as you can see, it's working right off the battery here. Yep, so this goes right down the middle here. So you can separate these compartments, one for like a freezer and then the other one for a fridge. Got it. I put some ice packs over here. Those ice packs, they lasted for about 2 days. That's freaking crazy. And here, yeah, you can even go make it into a freezer if you wanted. Oh, wow, this is kind of hot. Weird. It has a USB charger. I do not know what for. But, yeah, it's drawing. Oh, it doesn't even say. But yes, this should help during the warm summer days. Another layer of protection and making sure that it stays cooler. Well, anyways, let's see how much. So it's drawing. Oh, it's not drawing anything right now. So I've had this running for maybe a day now. Yep. So I charged it with the solar panels from like 4% to, what was that, like 75? So it's been a day now. It's down to 55%. So I haven't tried it yet where I'm running it and at the same time have it plugged into the solar, because that's when I know if it can keep up with it, then for sure I will have power and cold food so my food doesn't spoil. That's the only reason why I got the portable fridge. If not, I just get a cooler, right? If I don't want to maintain the food, then I just get a cooler, get some ice packs. But like this setup, I can keep the food for a long time. Yeah, but anyways, gonna go work on that, move it up. Oh, and these are the solar panels right here. Yeah, it's huge. It's like 70 pounds. So far, it's been working pretty good. So I've had it charged for what? Out here for maybe an hour or two. Yeah, it was at 55. Now it's at percent. Now it's at 84. So it's getting about 300 right now. And these are quite efficient with the amount of energy it draws. So it's, yeah, it definitely works. Nope, I got a dump.
Will be coming soon.